What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janelle and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be cooking cabbage soup. I did do my intro a little late, so that's why y'all gonna see it looking a little crazy. But yeah. So y'all know I do not like to talk too much, so I'm gonna change into some more comfortable clothes to cook in, and I'm gonna see you guys. I'm sorry for the light. I'm actually about to set the camera on a tripod, but now that I'm in more comfortable clothes, I'm ready to get started. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I'm going to be using, or that is going to be in my cabbage soup. So first thing you're going to need is some carrots. I actually got the baby carrots. I'm not really sure if I'm going to cut these up or not, because I actually got 2 packs because I really like me some carrots. Next, we need some celery. And I did get all of this stuff from Aldi's. Of course, you're going to need a cabbage. It's really optional to put peppers, but I just have a red pepper, so that's the only peppers that's going to be going into mine. Another thing is, y'all, every Aldi I went to did not have turkey sausage, and it broke my heart because the turkey sausage be busting. And I didn't want to eat beef or pork sausage, but I had to because, again, I went to 2 different Aldis and I wasn't going to a third one, so I had to settle for the pork and beef sausage. The last thing we have is the chicken broth. Another thing that I am going to put in there, you guys are going to see me, is some minced garlic that I'm going to put in there with all of my veggies. So, yeah. Alright, so now you guys are going to see me chop up all of my veggies. I think I am going to chop up the carrots. So I'm going to chop up the carrots, the celery, the peppers, and my bad, y'all, I got an onion and an onion for flavor, which I really do not like onions, but it's going to be in there today.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'll tell.
Now that the carrots are cut up, I am now gonna cut up the celery.
Fucking crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby.
Now that the celery is cut, I am now going to cut the red pepper.
I'm late, but I still check in with you.
I love you can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta.
Next, I'm going to be cutting the onion. I hate onions. I hate cutting them up. So yeah.
Spaceship, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems indeed.
Alright, so I got all my veggies chopped up. I don't know why my camera looks blurry. There you go. So I got all my veggies chopped up. Now I'm just about to fry or simmer them. To get them cooking a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw them in a pot with some water, some chicken broth, and yeah, that is what you guys are about to see me do. So most people use like olive oil, but I don't have any oil, so I'm gonna use butter. After my butter melts, I'm then going to go in with my minced garlic, and then I'm going to mix that up a little bit, and then I'm going to throw my veggies in there.
It's true. It's true. They're not telling no lie. I believe about
Songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty.
So while my veggies are cooking, I'm actually going to season them. So I got some adobo all-purpose seasoning. I got some seasoning salt. I got some garlic powder. And some chili powder.
Champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation.
While that is cooking, I'm about to move over here to my cutting board, and we're gonna chop up that sausage.
The nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright.
I'm also gonna chop up the cabbage. I'm then gonna take my veggies and transfer them into this pot. I'm gonna cook my meat in this pot, and I'm gonna throw the cabbage in there with it. So yeah. I'm gonna take my chicken broth and put it into my pots with the vegetables. And I'm gonna pull the whole container. So now that I have put the chicken broth in, I'm actually gonna turn this up a little bit more high. I'm gonna bring it to a slight boil, and that's when I'm gonna throw my cabbage in there, And then once the cabbage cooks down just a little bit, I'm gonna throw the sausages in there because I'm actually cooking the sausages right now. So the sausages will already be cooked. So I'm gonna throw them in there as the cabbage is simmered now. So this is already heating up.
My mind seemed to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me.
I'm gonna add my cabbage.
Bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind. Shit.
So it's boiling.
I should've kept from pushing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
Alright guys, my camera died, so this is the sausages. I'm actually about to take them off because they are done. And this is the cabbage. I'm actually going to, like I said, the top is just gonna go on here. And once I see that this has cooked down inside of the broth, that's when I'm gonna add my sausages. I'm gonna cook for like another 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to show y'all what the finished product look like. Now that you can see it is boiling, I'm going to dump the sausages in there.
Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind.
Alright guys, so the camera is back on, and this is what it's looking like. Let's put on this burger. Ooh. This is it. So I'm about to get me some, cause yeah, it's dinner time. It is 7:37, and I do not want to eat past 8, so I'm about to eat.
Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, won't feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe it.
That will be all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in to my cooking video. And if you guys would like to see me cook a little more, let me know. Comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.